Dear Michaela, if you're reading this, it's either our wedding day or you happen to find the notebook that I specifically asked you not to look for. For 8 years I have known and have been looking forward to this day. Looking forward to seeing the girl of my dreams become the woman of the rest of my life. Looking forward to seeing my best friend become my family. And finally, looking forward to beginning the rest of our lives as Mr. and Mrs. Reisdorf.
Talk to me from the lungs of the air your heart is breathing.
Dear Evan, I have written this letter over and over in my head for the last few months, but when it came to putting it down on paper, I struggled. What do I say to the person who knows me better than anyone else, who holds my every thought, secret, hope, and my heart?
Mick and Evan have the kind of love story that you hear about from your grandma and grandpa. The story goes that their teacher assigned a group project in class, and as a new kid, Mick was nervous about finding a partner and worried about having to raise her hand when the teacher ultimately asked who still needed one. To her surprise, a boy crossed the room to ask her to be his partner. It was Evan.
Thank you for encouraging me to be the best version of myself, while never faltering to make me feel worthy and letting me know that I am always enough.
There is no one, no thing that can bring joy to my life like you do. It's you and me now, Mick, until the end of time. Love always, Evan.
To the grip of your arms, far from where I go. I wanna see the other side. Show me where to go. To the grip of your arms, far from where I go.
You've heard me say it thousands of times and read the words in my writing, but know that in this moment I love you more than I ever have, and I will continue to love you for all the years to come. You are my best friend, my greatest adventure, and the love of my life.
This could be my last chance. Oh, you could be my last chance. Maybe when the light shines on your phone, oh, lately I could feel I'll be alone. The conversation played apart so cold. I wonder if the light was for somebody. And if I let you know, would I get over? And if I take you down, would I be changed by your mind? And if I stayed around, would I have broken? And if I make a sound, you'll always think about us.
Michaela, you are a very strong woman, and you will make a wonderful wife. Every successful man has a strong woman right by his side, so we're expecting great things. Of all the amazing qualities that Evan has, my favorite is that he always makes my daughter smile. And the smile of a daughter is the secret purpose of every father.
And if I leave you now, would I get over? And if I take you
So I wish you great love, health, and happiness, and I hope that every day forward you feel a little bit of this. Love you guys.
down, you'll always think about us.